Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you see, I am in the mystical land of Rishikesh, nestled in the breathtaking foothills of the Himalayas. So, today we embark on a journey of discovery as we unveil the hidden gem that is the secret waterfall of Rishikesh. So, as you know, we have started our journey and I am in India. I'm exploring India. So, right now I'm in the Rishikesh. Like as you can see, I'm driving in the road of Rishikesh, which is all like surrounded by the mountains, and the roads are very narrow, but it's very amazing to drive here. And I'm really fascinated about driving here, and I'm so excited. So, as we started our journey, let's begin the video. So, as you know, the Rishikesh, known as the capital, yoga capital of the world, and it has attracted a lot of spiritual seekers and adventure enthusiasts from all around the globe. So, as you know, I was bustling the city and I was thinking to explore some hidden gems where I have found on the internet that there is a waterfall which is quite secret, and it is just 20 to 30 minutes away from the city capital of yoga, which is Rishikesh. So, as you know, I'm driving here and I'm really excited, and I'm going in a very good direction, just following the Google Maps. People here are very chill, and they are just like me, who are all lost in the vibe of the nature. So, as you see, like the roads which is getting narrow by narrow. So, I am following the lead on the Google map, and I am trying to figure out where is this hidden gem, and that is, like, you all know where I'm going, where I'm heading. So let's go slowly and follow all the rules and regulations by keeping the safety in the mind. Finally, we have parked our car after approx 30 minutes, and it was a long journey, but as you know, the roads were very narrow, so we had to drive very carefully, and we were coming very slow. We are driving very slow. So now moving forward, now we have to park our vehicle, and we are now moving to the secret waterfall. So as you can see in front of me, this is the first waterfall, which is not that popular in the Tapovan, but yeah, people came here as well to get a dip in this cool water. So now we are heading to the main waterfall, which is just 15 to 20 minutes walk from here. So after the walk for 10 to 15 minutes, we have reached the secret waterfall, which is in front of you, and the sound of the gushing waterfall and this stunning view is very amazing, and it's very relaxing and unwind. So this is one of the a popular waterfall in Rishikesh. Just enjoy the view.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.